The Products tab is going to be your main go-to page for managing changes to your menu and products. From this page, you can change a product's name, price, move it to a different category or subcategory, change printing rules. But most importantly, this is where you can easily add new products to your menu. To add a new product, we will use the tool on top of the page, indicating a name for the product, price it will have, VAT level according to your local tax and product type, whether it needs to be printed in one or multiple printers, such as the kitchen printer, which category it should be placed in, and finally a brief description of the product. This description field will be shown on your One Menu Takeout online menu page. When it's ready, you can click on the New Item button to save it to your menu. From the main screen of the Products tab, we can do other things like rearrange the order of the products on the list, or by selecting some of the products, use some of the group actions like deleting multiple products, adding them to a subcategory, move them to a different category, change the VAT level, change the printer settings, or change the external services they're connected to. These services are One Menu QR and Takeout, as well as your menu on Google search results. A useful tool to classify your products even further are the subcategories. These act as nested folders within your main categories and can give you a bit more flexibility on larger menus with lots of products. To create a new subcategory, we need to select at least one product and use the group actions like so. Give it a name and click Execute. Once created, we can simply drag and drop other products in or out of the subcategory. Subcategories will be shown in your POS tablet as a drop-down menu within the main category they belong to, and they can be open or collapsed by clicking on it. These are the basic tools needed to get started building your menu. For more advanced options in the Products tab, please watch the second part of this video, where we will go more in depth on other tools and settings that can be controlled from here.